Good morning, guys. Today our topic is Pneumatic Pd Controller. Okay, so this is Pneumatic Pnd Controller.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग। हाँ बोलिए, हाँ बोलिए, तारकनाथ महातो बोलिए।
कुछ नहीं सर, ऐसे ही
ओ
गुड
अच्छा अच्छा,
मॉर्निंग विश कर रहे थे।
नहीं नहीं, ठीक है ठीक है, हम सोचे मेरा ऑडियो नहीं जा रहा है।
नहीं
ओके
नहीं, ऑडियो आ रहा है।
ओके।
ओके सर।
This is Pneumatic Pd Controller. Okay, so if we draw this, So guys, this is our input pressure. Here also input to output is going on, but this is air or any air like fluid. So if I want to control it, and now this is the PD controller, okay, and this is the derivative valve. First time pressure is going on, first we have to see how the pressure is working. Say one part of this pressure is entering into this way, okay. So here you can see this is the airflow is entering, airflow is entering. Say this is, this flapper is just open, this position is just open. First time we have to see in this way, in this way. So air are going to out, air are going out anyway. So no pressure is, back pressure is coming to here. Whenever back pressure is not coming here, so in previous classes you have seen that their ball valve is working. So valve does not disclose this. It's really it's just, it is just lock over here, and so nothing is coming here, and this derivative also not working at this condition. It is going to here, very few amount is, and it is again returning and it is coming. So normally it is going on, but whenever we want to control it, because it is fully open, because no pressure is coming, no pressure is coming, so this is fully open and it is going as usual as the previous state. But now we want to control it. At that moment we just pull this flapper over here, and so flapper is coming over here. Till now we are not talking about derivative action, derivative is not working now, okay. So this channel is freely open, freely open. Just I am talking about proportional action, first proportional action. Whenever it is going on, it is just, it is just flap and choke this nozzle side. So what happens, air are entering. Now this time is green color, here are entering. Now it is going to the back pressure, because as air could not go to the outside. So back pressure is coming, back pressure is coming. Whenever this back pressure is coming, this relay first open this, open this channel to come this area here. If you put some pressure, then it will go to the, go to the this area. So this is coming over here. I am drawing this valve is there and it is open. So whenever you push, then it will something going on. Okay. So in this way, this is going to the full of air. It is entering some air. But till now your derivative action is not working, because you don't apply this derivative valve. It is just freely open. So in this area your fluids are entering and fluids are entering, and it is going to gather over here, and some of, and maximum amount of this is fluid will just press over here, we press over here. So it will going to control this flow. Say we are going to 80%, then 70% open, then 60% open. So this is open, means your channel is restriction, first started its restriction. So it will just doing in this way, but it will add the proportional control action. It is going to, and sometimes you just pick up this, you have to control this 70%, but it will not going to the 70%. Sometimes it is reached 80%, sometimes it is going to the 60%, but your aim is to going to reach the 70% opening. And then if then you again try to control, so it will go 75%, then again it will go uh, that is 65%. In this way it is going on, and ultimately you reach this position. But now you want to fix this position. Say at that moment When you reach this 70%, your set point is 70%, then your position is just like this. Your flapper position should be in this position. Okay, sorry. Your flapper position is in this position. That is just going to open, and it is at the 60% position. No, sorry, 70% position. Now you want to break this, or you want to hold this position. So it is going on, and you want to hold this position. Say your position is just like this. Then you just apply this derivative valve. It should be closed. Whenever it should be closed, then what happens? Then what happens? This area became full of air. In previous cases, your air pressure, just fluid are entering over here, but now it is closed due to this valve. So air entering into this below, it does not and going to outside. So what it will do, it will, and after entering of these things, it will expand, say, up to this position. So what happens, then it will press these things in this way, so that it can't move. Till now, if you want to move it, or you want to move it, or you may just let it free to at this position, this bellow will hold this position, because it will pushing this position. Whenever it will pushing, so, or it is static, because whenever some air is enter into this thing, just like a balloon, once a balloon is going, air is entering, then it will increasing up to that. But whenever you just tight this, and no leakage is there,